Racist. Nice to meet you, Tay Anderson, president of Never Again Colorado. So Never Again is an organization that wants to end gun violence.
I'm not quite sure.
So we're starting with different laws in effect. So we're starting with red flag bills, but we want to make sure that we're coming together on both sides of the aisle because we believe that change has to work on both sides in order to get done. And so we're not trying to push one side of the aisle or an agenda to say this is what we believe in because one side doesn't always work. We have to work with both sides. And so we're students trying to stand up to make sure that we can end gun violence in this community.
Yeah, I agree. I agree about the red flags. I think that's a really big part of it. You know, I think that a lot of these students showed all of the signs, and in many cases, law enforcement, particularly the FBI, didn't do their job.
Yeah,
That's one thing we can definitely agree with.
The FBI here?
Yeah.
Sorry, what?
Why are there no signs
against the FBI?
I don't know, because that's your narrative and not ours.
But it's the truth. It's not a narrative.
Occupy the political having a civic discussion, but you're screaming in the background, don't talk.
I can't even understand what it's
I'm asking you, you just turned around and said don't even talk to them. Actually, he and I are on opposite sides of the aisle, we're having a civil
sudden
discussion.
change your mind?
No.
No, you're not. Neither are we.
You're ignorant because actually he and I just agreed on something.
Yeah.
Amazing. So you're the only person ignorant here is you. He and I just actually sat here and have a civil discussion.
You're pretty sanctimonious. Just don't even.
What's the point? If you don't want to have a discussion, why are you here? You think the president's going to come down and grant you whatever you want?
You're civil.
This is what is always going to drown out your voice. Are people that are like very racist that won't let people talk.
So, excuse me real quick. I'm trying to have a civil conversation with those who don't probably see the same thing that I do.
I'm an NRA member, proud NRA member, so I'd love to have this
And so
conversation.
I really, if you would love to watch this conversation, this dialogue happen, please do. But if you're not here to watch that and you're going to drown out with chants, I'm just going to ask you to please march. I really want to hear what they have to say. Because all voices should count.
Congratulations to this person for being a civil human being, wanting to have a discourse.
Dialogue is how you keep democracy.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. That shirt is very disrespectful. Like to see you. Are you a Christian?
Hey y'all, real quick, I need your attention.
Not a Christian.
So there have been some people
I'm a
that
gay
have
Christian,
came out
I'm a gay
that want
Catholic,
to talk to you and listen to your side of what you have to say. So my challenge to you all is find somebody right here that's having a civil conversation.
You're offended by my shirt?
You're not going to agree with me. No, you're not.
I'm glad.
You're offended.
I'm glad you feel that way.
You're offended.
I'm glad you feel that.
You're offended by my talk.
You all
You said
because
I
these
was
people have came
disrespectful.
down, they want to listen to what you have to say.
You degraded my
And have a conversation with them.
You didn't think I was a
Turning Point USA, question for you real quick. We have some people that want to engage in a peaceful dialogue with you. Will you do it? They will do it. Please find them and have a conversation with them. Peacefully. Thank you.
Hi guys! I saw you guys.
Candace, don't you love the 30 pointers that come in here?
That's good. Are you guys all students?
What this free speech is all about. Different ideas.